What happens to your Georgia driver's license after you're arrested for DUI in Georgia? Let's find out. Hello, I'm attorney Scott Smith, and today we're talking about what happens to your Georgia driver's license after you've been arrested for DUI here in Georgia. You're arrested for DUI. You are read from an orange card asking for a blood or breath test, and then later the police officer takes your license from you. In its place, he hands you a sheet of paper called a DDS 1205 form. I've got an example right here. It has some basic information on the top, and then on the bottom it says Notice of License Suspension and Temporary Driving Permit. Can the officer take my license from me? What is this sheet of paper? Why did I receive it? That piece of paper is going to act as your temporary Georgia driver's license. In Georgia, our law allows the police officer to take your driver's license from you and return it to the Department of Driver Services, also known as DDS, for suspension by simply being suspected of DUI. The piece of paper the officer gives you in place of your license states that your license will be suspended in 30 days if you do not request an appeal of the suspension within 10 business days from the date of your arrest. In essence, you only have 10 days to prevent your automatic suspension. If you don't properly appeal your license, it gets suspended. You may lose your ability to drive for 1 year. If you were arrested for DUI and you did not give the officer a requested blood or breath sample, that means a 1-year suspension with no ability to get a work permit to drive for work. If you did give a blood or breath sample and you requested and your result was over the legal limit, you may be eligible for a limited driving permit. At our Office of Experienced Atlanta Criminal Defense Attorneys, we can look at your case, let you know if you need to submit a request for appeal, help you make sure the appeal is submitted correctly so you do not lose your right to drive, and we'll even give you a copy of the 10-day letter which you can submit on your own to get the process started. Don't lose your ability to drive after a DUI arrest. Call us today at 404-581-0999. Thank you.